This is how to run the Z Fisher application. So you open your terminal, and you get it from GitHub. Git, let's go, we'll open our browser and to GitHub space and enter. This is a tool that we are going to be using. So which is used to where there are a lot of tools used, and we are going to be copying this tool from GitHub. So this is the site we are going to be using to copy this tool. And once it has opened, you can see code in green. So this is link. So you can click copy to clipboard. You go back to your terminal, the command git, and then you are going to paste. Remember, to paste on your terminal is Ctrl Shift and V. If you also want to copy, use highlight it. So Ctrl Shift V is what we are using to paste. And you tap on enter and it's going to clone it. You are going to have this application on your system. So I already have that. So we're going to clear this. Once you are done cloning it, it's going to show you it is done. Now you do ls. Now you can see that right here is my Z Fisher tool, and I'm going to open this folder. You can see everything in blue here is a folder, while what is in white is a file. So I'm going to open the folder with change directory space Z Fisher. Remember, it has to be the exact spelling and the same cases. If it's capital letters or small letters, uppercase or lowercase, it has to be exactly the same way it is. And if you are correct, you see it in bold. Now we are going to change directory to Z Fisher and click on enter. Now I'm inside my Z Fisher folder or my directory. I will use ls to list. Now I can see I have authentication, I have Docker file, there's license, there's makedeb.sh, there's readme.md, and if you go to the end, you can see zfisher.sh. Now zfisher.sh is the software or the application we are going to be running. So how do we run it? You use bash, bash to run any program that ends with .sh. So bash zfisher.sh, exactly the same way it's written here is what we will type here. Bash zfisher.sh. Click on enter, and you have started up your zfisher program or application. Now we can select the various social sites we can get information from. So if you want to use Facebook, you want to use Instagram, you want to use Google, generate the login page, a fake login page where you can get the exact details that someone has logged in or someone uses to log into his or her account. So we are going to use Facebook, which is one. We're going to tap on enter. Now you can see there's the traditional login page, there's the advanced voting poll login page. There are different kinds of login pages under Facebook. We're going for the traditional login page, which is one. Local expose. Now localhost is you doing it on your system even if you are not connected to the internet, which we are going to be doing. And there's testing it in real life, maybe you want to get your link to work on somebody else who is not on the same network with you. You want to get this link and attack somebody maybe in another part of the country or somewhere else far away from you. You can use Cloudflare or local expose, but we are going to be using localhost for this. So I'm going to use one, which is our localhost. You can decide to choose your custom port, or you can decide to use the default custom port that Zfisher will give you. So I'm going to tap N, and you can see the link has been generated. The link has been generated with a custom port. Now this link 127.0.0.1 is our loopback IP address. So because we are testing on ourselves, we are going to be seeing this IP address. But if we are doing it using the local expose or the Cloudflare, we are going to be seeing a whole different link. So if you can see this link, you can highlight it, you can tap on it, and you can open it on your browser. So I'm going to click on open. And I'll just wait for the browser to open with this link. Try to copy the link on this browser on your copy the link address, go to your browser. Let's use this. Open a new tab on your browser, and I can paste. And show our traditional now, and it doesn't load immediately. It means there is a problem, but it means you do not have the super user permission. Let's stop it for now using now. You can see that I have Kali at Kali in super user in sudo space su and enter. That means sudo super user, and I'm going to put in my Kali password. And you can see that I have super user privilege all in red. Now we are going to start up our space zfisher.sh. Now start up. Click on any display we want to use, but we are going for Facebook again, which is one. Click on enter. We are using the traditional login page, which is one. We click on enter. We are doing it on ourselves, so we are going to be using one, which is the local host. We are not giving any custom ports, but you can decide to put any custom ports. Now all you need to do, copy the link, go to your browser, and a Facebook login. Now this is Facebook traditional login page. My name and my password is going to be zfisher, and I'll log in. Now I want you to notice something. While it is in, info has been given to terminal, while here the original Facebook login website, which you can see at the top. Now let's go back to our terminal, the Zfisher terminal, and if you see here, this is my name I use as my username, this is my password. So this is the Zfisher